Hi, this is King of Review. Does y equals 2x intersect with x squared plus y squared equals 1? One method for solving this problem is to use substitution. So we have an equation here for y equals 2x, and what we can do is substitute the 2x into the second equation for y, right here. So what does this look like? We have x squared plus y squared equals 1. Notice I left a blank space for y. This is where we're going to substitute the 2x in. So the 2x goes in the parentheses. Now I'm going to apply this square to both items within the parentheses. So I have x squared plus 4x squared equals 1. Now combine like terms. 5x squared equals 1. Now we're solving for x. So I'll divide both sides by 5. I have x squared equals 1/5. Now taking the square root of both sides, I have x equals plus or minus the square root of 1/5. So I have two values for x. I have x equals 1/5, the square root of 1/5, and I have x equals negative the square root of 1/5. So this shows me that I have two points of intersection, and these are the x-coordinates of my points of intersection. So yes, they do intersect. You could also graph these two equations on your graphing calculator and see where they intersect, or you can plot them by hand. So let's do a sketch of what they can look like. So we have y equals 2x. This is a line, and we know this is a line because it's in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So in this case, our slope, which is the m value, is 2. So the slope is 2. And the y-intercept, which is b, since there's no number here, we know that it's a 0. So b equals 0. That's where it crosses the y-axis at. So let's draw this. Here's our x-axis and our y-axis. Okay, so we have a y-intercept at 0, that's right here, and a slope of 2. This means up 2 over 1. So the next point would be right here. And we can use these values to draw in a line. And here's our line. Now let's look at the other equation. X squared plus y squared equals 1. This is the equation for a circle. I know this because it's in the form x squared plus y squared equals r squared, where r squared, or r, is the radius. So if r squared is equal to 1, we know that the radius is equal to 1. And we also know that because we have x squared plus y squared equals 1, the center of the circle is at the origin, and the radius is 1. So let's draw in red what the circle would look like. So here's a rough plot of what our circle looks like, and you could see that the line and the circle intersect twice. So there are multiple ways to solve this problem. Thanks for watching.